Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to save any web page as PDF in Firefox browser on Android. Okay, so this is my Android device, so just find your Firefox app on your Android device. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my Firefox app. After finding that, just tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, it's opened. And after that guys, you have to open the web page that you want to save as PDF. Okay, so let me open mine. So let me open google.com. I want to save this web page as PDF. Okay, so after opening your web page, you have to tap on this three dots at the top right. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that guys, you have to tap on this page. So let me tap on this page. Okay, and here we have this save as PDF. So just tap on this save as PDF. Okay, and you can see download started and it's now completed. Okay guys, and in order to open the PDF, what you need to do, you have to tap on this three dots at the top right. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this tools. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this downloads. So let me tap on this downloads. Okay, and here I have this PDF that I just saved. Okay, so you have to tap on this in order to open this. So let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this pop-up open with. I have 3 PDF viewers installed. You might have less or more. Okay, and even if you don't have PDF viewer installed, you can download and install it from Google Play Store. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so just open your Google Play Store and just do a search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this Adobe Acrobat Reader. Just tap on this to open it and you can easily install this PDF viewer. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, let me close this. Let me open Firefox. Okay, so here I have this pop-up. So let me select this Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let me tap over here and it's opening. And here I have this pop-up, allow Adobe Acrobat to access photos, media and files on your device. So just read this message, and if you agree this, just tap on this allow this link. So let me tap on this allow link because I agree this. Okay, and here I have this PDF opened, and here I have this access key tools. Okay, so let me cancel this. I don't want right now. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this PDF opened. Okay, you can see. And guys, also you can open this PDF by using another method. So let me show you. So let me go back. Okay, so just open your file manager. Okay, so let me open file manager app and just go to your internal storage, and after that guys, you have to find the download folder. Okay, so here I have this download folder. So let me tap on this. Okay, and you can see guys, here I have this PDF. Okay, so in order to open it, just tap on this. So let me tap over here, allow MI doc viewer to access photos, media and files on your device. Okay, so let me tap on this allow this link and it's opening, and you can see guys, it's now opened. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily save any web page as PDF in Firefox browser on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.